Hello and welcome to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Lesson 1. Try not to memorize anything. Allow the English words to wash over you slowly and calmly. It is great to have you here. Let us begin. Here are 12 very useful English words. Do not repeat yet. Just listen. Hello. Hi. Name. I. You. Good. Day. Here. Today. Start. Learn. English. Good. Now we will listen again and then say the same words together. Please listen to the 12 English words again and repeat them after me. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Name. Name. I. You. Good. Good. Day. Day. Here. Here. Today. Today. Start. Start. Learn. Learn. English. English. Very good. Nice and slow. Now we will listen to some joined words. You can say them too if you like. Hello there. Hi there. Good day. You here. My name. Start today. English today. English day. You learn. Learn here. Good English. I start. Good. Let us continue. Now, listen to a simple, easy story using all of the 12 English words. Hello. Hi. How are you? Good day. My name is David. What is your name? I am here. You are here. Today we start. Today we learn. Today we learn English. Very good English. Good. Let us listen to the 12 English words one more time. Hello. Hi. Name. I. You. Good. Day. Here. Today. Start. Learn. English. Very good. Okay, this is the end of lesson 1. You did very well today. Rest now, and I will see you for lesson 2. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.